Welcome to our channel. If your Fire TV remote isn't working and you're feeling frustrated, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through several quick fix methods to get your Fire TV remote up and running again. Let's dive into it step by step. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first thing to consider is the power source. 1. Locate the battery compartment on the back of your Fire TV remote. 2. Remove the batteries and check for any corrosion or damage. 3. Replace the batteries with fresh ones, ensuring they are oriented correctly according to the polarity markings. Step 2. Reboot your Fire TV device. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. 1. Unplug your Fire TV device from the power source. 2. Wait for about 60 seconds. 3. Plug it back in and wait for it to fully boot up. Step 3. Repair your remote. If your remote isn't responding, it may need to be repaired with your Fire TV. 1. Hold down the home button on the remote for about 10 seconds. 2. Your Fire TV should recognize the remote and pair automatically. If it doesn't, try holding the home button again. Step 4. Check for interference. Physical objects and electronic devices can cause interference. 1. Ensure there are no objects blocking the line of sight between your remote and the Fire TV. 2. Move any potential sources of interference, like microwaves or Wi-Fi routers, away from the Fire TV device. Step 5. Reset remote. If the previous steps haven't worked, you can try resetting your remote. 1. Remove the batteries from the remote. 2. Press and hold the menu button for about 5 seconds. 3. While still holding the menu button, reinsert the batteries. 4. Release the menu button after the batteries are installed. Step 6. Check for software updates. Ensure your Fire TV is running the latest software version. 1. Go to Settings from the Fire TV home screen. 2. Select My Fire TV, then choose About. 3. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Step 7. Use the Fire TV app as a temporary remote. If your physical remote still isn't working, you can use the Fire TV app on your smartphone as a temporary solution. 1. Download the Fire TV app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV. 3. Open the app and select your Fire TV device to start using it as a remote. Remember to try these quick fixes before considering a replacement remote. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you get your Fire TV remote working again, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.